Ever stared at your business's financial reports and felt like you were trying to read a map written in a language you don't speak? Like you're missing pieces, or worse, you know you're missing pieces, but you can't quite put your finger on where. Or maybe you're growing, and that spreadsheet you've been clinging to like a life raft is starting to feel more like an anchor? You're not alone. So many businesses, especially those hitting that growth spurt, find themselves trapped in a system that just doesn't scale. And often that system is QuickBooks. Now, don't get me wrong, QuickBooks is a powerhouse for small businesses. It's user-friendly, affordable, and it gets the job done, up to a point. But what happens when getting the job done isn't enough? What happens when you need more than just basic accounting? What happens when you need a system that can grow with you, that can provide real-time insights, that can automate complex processes, and that can give you a holistic view of your entire business? That's where NetSuite enters the conversation. And today we're going to break down exactly why, for many businesses, NetSuite isn't just a step up from QuickBooks, it's a whole different league. Let's start with the big picture: scalability. QuickBooks is designed for small to medium-sized businesses. As your business grows, you'll likely encounter limitations in terms of user capacity, data storage, and the complexity of transactions it can handle. Think of it like this: QuickBooks is a reliable sedan, perfect for getting around town. But when you need to haul a trailer or navigate rough terrain, you need something more robust. NetSuite, on the other hand, is an enterprise resource planning ERP system. It's built for growth. It's designed to handle complex operations, manage large volumes of data, and support multiple users across different locations. It's the heavy-duty truck, the off-road vehicle, the machine built to handle whatever you throw at it. But it's not just about size. It's about functionality. QuickBooks is primarily an accounting software. It excels at basic bookkeeping, invoicing, and reporting. But NetSuite offers a much wider range of capabilities. It integrates accounting with other critical business functions like inventory management, customer relationship management, CRM, e-commerce, and supply chain management. Imagine this: you're running an e-commerce business. With QuickBooks, you'd likely need separate systems for inventory, order management, and customer data. This means manual data entry, potential errors, and a fragmented view of your business. With NetSuite, everything is integrated into a single platform. You can track inventory levels in real time, automate order fulfillment, and access comprehensive customer data all in one place. Let's dive into some specific areas where NetSuite shines. 1. Real-time visibility and reporting. QuickBooks offers basic reporting, but NetSuite provides advanced, customizable dashboards and reports that give you real-time insights into your business performance. You can track key metrics, identify trends, and make informed decisions based on accurate data. No more waiting for reports to be generated or manually compiling data from different sources. NetSuite gives you the information you need when you need it. Think about the power of knowing your sales figures, inventory levels, and customer profitability in real time. This allows you to react quickly to market changes, optimize your operations, and improve your bottom line. 2. Inventory management. For businesses that manage inventory, NetSuite's capabilities are a game changer. QuickBooks offers basic inventory tracking, but NetSuite provides advanced features like multi-location inventory management, demand planning, and automated reordering. You can track inventory across multiple warehouses, optimize stock levels, and reduce the risk of stockouts or overstocking. Imagine you have warehouses in 3 different cities. NetSuite allows you to track inventory levels at each location, transfer stock between warehouses, and optimize your overall inventory strategy. This level of control is simply not possible with QuickBooks. 3. Customer Relationship Management, CRM. NetSuite's integrated CRM module allows you to manage customer interactions, track sales opportunities, and improve customer satisfaction. QuickBooks offers limited CRM functionality, often requiring integration with third-party apps. With NetSuite, you can access a 360-degree view of your customers, track their purchase history, and personalize your marketing efforts. This helps you build stronger customer relationships and drive sales growth. 4. Automation and efficiency. NetSuite automates many manual processes, freeing up your team to focus on more strategic tasks. You can automate invoicing, order processing, and financial reporting, reducing errors and improving efficiency. QuickBooks offers some automation features, but NetSuite takes it to a whole new level. Imagine automating your entire order-to-cash process. From order entry to invoice generation to payment collection, NetSuite can handle it all, saving you time and money. 5. Global capabilities. For businesses with international operations, NetSuite's global capabilities are essential. It supports multiple currencies, languages, and tax regulations, making it easy to manage your global business from a single platform. QuickBooks offers limited international support. NetSuite allows you to consolidate financial data from multiple subsidiaries, comply with local regulations, and manage your global supply chain. This level of global support is critical for businesses looking to expand internationally. 6. Customization and scalability. NetSuite is highly customizable, allowing you to tailor the system to your specific business needs. You can add custom fields, create custom reports, and integrate with other applications. QuickBooks offers limited customization options. As your business grows and your needs change, NetSuite can adapt. You can add new modules, expand user capacity, and integrate with new technologies. This scalability ensures that your system can grow with you. Think of it as an investment in your future. It's about setting up the infrastructure to handle the growth you know is coming. It's about having the insights you need to make the right decisions at the right time. It's about building a business that's not just surviving, but thriving. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.